Well, good morning. It is roughly a little bit after 8, and I'm going kayaking today. Going in a new spot. I got the kayak up here on the roof, and I'm going to be dropping that in the water soon. It's my first time mounting it to the top of the roof, so the drive went smoothly, and I'm excited. There's a lot of wildlife out here today, and I'm at Lettuce Lake Park. I've been here many times. I've done kayaking here many times, but I haven't brought my own kayak, so that's the most exciting part. So should be really cool, and yeah. So let's go get the kayak set up after I'm done eating this granola bar, and we'll go figure it out. Okay, so it looks like we got our first sign of wildlife. We got a tricolored heron right here. He's just sitting in the shade. See if we can, oh, well, it would help to take my lens cap off. There we go. He's really pretty. So I'm trying to get shots of this tricolored heron right now, and he's pretty difficult to take pictures of. He's just zooming through these cypress and through the marsh here, and he's just fishing, but he's fishing at a very fast pace, and I know I'm not scaring him, but he's trying to eat. I mean, he's right here. He's just tucking himself behind a lot of this stuff, and then he'll be from 0 to 100. Oh, this might be nice though. That actually doesn't look bad. That's not too bad. I'm actually pretty happy with that. Whew, yeah. Right as I speak. All right. It got way too hot. So now we are just making our way back to go the other way. There's a little tip that I learned, and basically whenever you're paddling, usually you'd be pulling with your hands wherever you're paddling. So you'd be pulling and then pulling and pulling, and eventually that can get pretty tiresome. So if you know, I still do this a lot too, but when I start to get tired, or want to get in a good habit, another way to do it is you can release the hand a little bit on the one that's higher. So whichever one that you're not going to be, pulling with, you can start pushing. So you take this hand and you start pushing forward. So push, and then push, and then push, and you're just you're releasing the tension a little bit on the grasp of the hand, and it makes it much easier. So push, 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 and that makes it a lot easier, and you get tired a lot less quickly. And I completely turned around, so we're gonna have to do that again. So one good tip that I can say is that it doesn't really matter the time that you take photographs, and you miss a lot of opportunities when you're not out here. The best advice I can give is just go out and start shooting. And a lot of the times, a lot of people don't come out during noon, and right now, I've been out since 8 a.m. this morning, but now it's noon, and a lot of people don't shoot at this time. But the nice part is that we have so much shaded area around us that it doesn't really matter. If you have coverage and you have all this, it turns a bad situation or a lighting situation into a really good lighting situation. So a lot of people don't think about that, and they miss tons of opportunities. So I got this cormorant here. He's just chilling. He's on top of this log here, and he looks very pretty. He's on top of a branch that's in the water, and I really want to get his head behind the cypress tree because it's a nice kind of orangey color. And I got the light kind of directly up, so the light's not exactly on our side, but there's a lot of nice shade here. So I feel like there's opportunity for good pictures here. So I think I'm just about lined up here. So we tried on the cormorant, and I don't know how I feel about it. We'll see how it looks when we get back and check. I had a feeling one way or another I was going to find a gator. So in this situation, sometimes he's backing up a little bit. In this situation, sometimes when you can't grab focus, you want to pull the focus ring out a little bit and then reassess to get tack sharp focus.